You end up at the beach. You think it's a nice day for a swim. You go swimming, but then you see a shark fin, right? You go swimming away and fast, but it keeps going up to you, fast, following you. You run up to the beach. You think you're safe, but then it jumps. What you see isn't a shark. It's a monster. It gets attacked. It has long arms, jaws and claws, feet to run, no tail at all, not even fins, only two on its head. You see its yellow eyes. You think to yourself you're gonna run, but it attacks and turns, tearing you up in your guts. This is SCP-32. You may notice that the shark creature is actually like the Yu-Gi-Oh video Shark Drake. That's why they gave it the number 32. The question is, they don't know how or why it's here. Some people say that it might be a mutant shark, evolved from radioactive waste or experiments. Some others say that it might be a prehistoric shark, frozen in ice. No one's sure what it is or what it wants, but all they know is that it's dangerous. It has sonar. It has the normal abilities of a shark. Swimming, fast swimming, to high jumps. But this is an unusual power it has. It can create its own whirlpool in reverse. Whirlpools usually suck in. This one sucks out. It blasts a stream of water and it makes it a string attack. No one knows where it came from or how it's here. But all they know is that it's dangerous. They kept it in a place where there might be safe, so they took it into the cold water. They took it to Antarctica to keep it nice and cold. As long as it's cold, it'll stay. They figured out that, but the cold doesn't seem to affect it. It stays alive through cold and hot water. It keeps moving, but it doesn't seem. And even though they tried the theory of how a shark will go upside down and be like a hippie, but it doesn't work actually. Basically, just the same. Apparently, this one is actually different. All they decided, they figured out the age on this chair. They figured out something. That one of the theories that it's years old. They found out something. It's old. Very old. Like 5,500 years old. 55 billion years ago. Like the age of the dinosaurs. You know how there's prehistoric sharks called megalodons. But they theorize that it's a prehistoric megalodon. Evolved through years. Some creatures survived in ice. They say that some prehistoric creatures survive, like how mosquitoes survive in wax, encased in wax. They believe that this shark is encased in ice, keeping it cold. Through years of global warming, it's thawed out. Some people say that it may be due to some objects in the sea that's causing it to evolve faster. They say that this shark has the ability to tell the pressure that can go to the deepest part of the sea. D-class personnel, there are some people decide to try out with SCP with an SCP. They tried using the Gator one, but it didn't seem to work. So they tried using the Fountain Lady. Unfortunately, they could not get the lady because it's impossible to get her because she's in the water. She only goes to the water, yada yada. So they tried to use the Shark Wave. But this time it worked differently. The Shark Drake seemed to destroy the Shark Wave by blasting a high stream of water. No one knew where that shark went. So they tried the aquatic horror shark. Plus that they tried using the mutant shark. The shark where you go into a stream of water, you sink, and you see that shark. They tried doing that, but it didn't. But yet, it seemed to stay intact. They found a piece of the shark on it, in its mouth. They found that it belongs to that SCP. They don't know how to stop it. They don't know how to contain it. All they know is dangerous enough as it is. It's a dangerous creature, so you need to be careful. SCP-32 might be dangerous. This Mark Belugi